Yo. Good morning, everyone. This is Boom&Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help all struggling traders outside there in order to excel and make money in the forex market. So, coming back, this is the question. You actually asked me, please, how can I grow my $8 account fast? So, this is a very nice question that this guy asked me. It's a very nice question, and I love it. So probably this guy has an $8 account. He has $8 account, and he wants me to show him how you can be able to grow this $8 account fast. So I have to collect the account from him. After I collected the account from him, then I traded the account for good 48 hours, and I've generated 50% of the account. And I've shown how you can be able to do the same thing before the next 48 hours. So anybody that have an account that want to grow also, you can contact me. I can be taking some few personal signals for you, so that I'll be showing you how some things work. I've started with this guy and I'll show you every details of it now. I'm going to, by the end of this video, I'm very sure you'll go with a very good, easy, simple, step-by-step guide on how you can be able to make money with any small boom and crash trading account. Stick with me now. So welcome back. So here we are. This guy. These are the trades. That very day, as I told you, he funded $8. So I said, you should allow me to trade the account for him 3 days, and after I've traded it, then I will give him some 3 step-by-step guides that will make him not to ever blow any account. So now, based on the way you look at these trades now, the first condition or the first step for you to grow any small account that is not up to $10, any account that is not up to $10, any account that is not up to $10, any account, make sure you do not use more than 0.22 lots, which is just 2 cents. Just use 2 cents, only 2 cents. I know why I'm saying this. I'm saying this because I have backtested these things several times without number. If you can go back to my channel, you have seen I've created a lot of videos on how to grow small account, $5 account, $10 account, but this is a special account because it's a client's account. It's not even my account. It's a client account. It's one guy from India. I think the guy is from India. Let me check the name. I didn't see the name, but what I just want you to understand is that the number one step I'm going to give you, never use more than 2 cents. 2 cents. I repeat again, 2 cents. Just 2. So you always use what? You will always use 0.22, then you will minus 0.2, and you will be left with 0.02 lots. Please, the number one step, never use more than 0.02 lot size, only 2 cents when you are trading small account. When you are trading any account that is not less than $10. Why? Because if you are using only 2 cents, let's assume it's $8 account. For you to lose $1, market has to move 50 pips, 50 good pips before you can lose $1. So I'm very sure if you are catching spike, if you are using my honorable, if you are using any other system outside there, make sure, as I repeat, you maintain that rule. 0. What? 0.02 lot. That's the target option here. That is the target option. 0.02. So that is what you should understand. So the second step is that if you understand the concept of not risking more than, let's assume the account is $10. 10% of $10 is $1. And if you are risking more, if you are using more than 2 cents, that means you cannot have up to 50 pips stop loss. And as a beginner, your 50 pip stop loss is very, very good for you to allow market to do any drawdown. If you want to maintain significant risks, fine, you can even use 0.01, which is the minimum lot size. It's very, very okay and good to go. So that is what you should understand. So the second step is you should make sure you are not trading more than one single entry. I repeat, one single entry. If you wish, go and use 0.01, 0.01. That's not what I said. I said you use only 0.02 once, only one position. Please, this is what I don't want. Make sure you use 0.02 only once. Please respect yourself. This market you are seeing, it is unpredictable without the price action, and that is why in my next video I'm going to give you a very, very nice free strategy called pure price action strategy, which is coming next week in this video by God's grace. So you have to understand that as well. So this is the second thing you should look at. Never use often more than one position. The reason why I say you should not offer more than one position is that sometimes your margin can go low, and when you have more than one position, that affects your margin generally in trading. So please, you are growing small account, you don't want to lose even if it is 1 cent from that account. And remember, you are only using it to catch spikes because you are growing small account. You have control over your stop loss. Please stop growing small account with candles. Please, it's very risky. You can do it, but when the market go against you, it's another story, and I don't like to discuss about that story. That is why I always make sure I give you free strategies of how to catch spike with boom and crash, so that you can be able to make money consistently. You can check previously, I've released some free strategy. Ramadan free strategy is there. Boom and Crash, buy and sell special strategy, a lot of free strategy that you can be able to check on the playlist I have on my channel, so that I can be able to get every new update. So the last thing I need to talk to you about it, please, is discipline. Discipline in the sense that make sure you obey the first step and the second step. What is the first step? The first step is make sure you did not use more than 0.02. Second step is make sure you did not open more than two positions. So you only open 0.02 at once. The last step is discipline and money management, which is this one I'm talking about right now. If you obey these three simple rules based on the previous backtest result we have here, you can see the boy actually contacted me, and I see he actually contacted me on, because the very first day he funded the account, the boy, the guy from that Indian guy. So you see he contacted me on the second, and today we are what? Let's check out today's date. We are fifth. So I was even busy running some things. I didn't even make the video for him on time. So you see we are sixth, fifth, just 3 days ahead. Just 3 days. So that is that about that. So this is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help also rolling traders outside there in order to excel and make money in the forex market. Please, if you understand this very well, please fine. If you have any question, don't forget to comment your question in the description, and I'll be very glad to respond to your question before the next 24 hours. These are the main 3 steps in order to grow any small account faster, like I did, which I'm very sure if you obey those rules I told you earlier, you can be able to make consistent growing of your small account. You can see this is just 50%, more than 50%, more than 50%. See, more than 50%, 50%, greater than. You see, so this is Boom&Crash Academy. If you find any value on this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you don't find any value on the video, don't forget to hit the dislike button and help me how I can be able to improve in my next video. Nice to have you here. See you in my next video. Bye.
لقد جئت شيئا إمرا قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى